Yeah, Pulkit, good afternoon. Unmute, and you are the only person joined right now. Respond me.
Yes, sir.
People are aware about this, no? This
Uh,
online class.
yes, sir.
Okay. We'll wait 5 more minutes. Already I wasted 5 minutes to identify and log in. And remaining 5 minutes will wait. 12:55 will start.
Sir, in our timetable, it says it's currently lunchtime and classes in.
Today it's not class in offline mode. The timetable which is provided after 27th. You're not having classes on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday you are having at the 6th hour. Am I right? Today there's a special online class for the candidates, those who are staying and outside, not reach the campus. How many exercises you have completed and verified? Whether are you working on this development, Pulkit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Can you show your screen if any updated development do you have? May have the view on it.
Sir, I'm currently joined with my phone, sir.
Mobile.
Actually, I got disconnected during my last class, and I wasn't able to attend my attendance. So I joined to get my attendance, but it was already over.
Okay. Have you downloaded the lecture notes from the chalk pad?
Yes, sir. I'm downloading them.
Okay. And make use of that for your practice.
Yes, sir.
If any doubts or issues you are facing in that instructions or information what is flowed on it, you can post that issue on the WhatsApp group at any time. You can give the result. You can resolve on it.
Yes, sir.
Only one. I posted a message in the group. Only 3 members have seen. I hope for you, I am supposed to start and do. We'll wait for 2 more minutes.
Sir, I think there is no class at this time because I'm checking my timetable and it says that at 2:30 is our class and 12:42 2:30 is our break.
Break in the sense everyone can join, no?
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
they are
Link.
in lunch.
Yes, sir.
Link have been sent to all the students, no?
Sir, link. No, sir, I didn't got my link, sir.
Then how you joined in this?
Sir, I actually joined because, as I told you, I wanted to, sir, attend my attendance, and then I got disconnected. So I rejoined, but the class was over.
Okay, the class is over and
Yes, sir.
you are in file now?
No, sir, I'm in 6L.
Your files 6L. If so, you are not this current student.
Yes, sir, I'm lead student actually.
Okay. So this is not your session. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can
I think
disconnect.
it's not my
Yes.
session, sir. Sir.
Yeah, you can disconnect.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good. Akash,
Yes,
good
sir.
afternoon. Are you file student? Yeah. Yes, yes.
Sir, currently I'm taking
Currently, you are taking?
online.
Say unmute. Okay, okay, okay. Where the people has to join, still they are not joining. All the exercises up to now what we discussed, have you completed?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually,
Very
the link which you have joined is only shared to the online students, and this link has not been shared to the offline. So I think you have to share this link to all the students so that they can join.
okay. This link is as far this is a host link what I'm having, but some faculty they have sent what link they have sent to the students. I don't know until unless I have the link I cannot pass to them. If
Yes.
any the candidate who is staying in home, if they are having the link in the sense that can be shared.
So you can start the class from that link which we have, which we always have when we have a class.
No, Akash, what is provided in such a way I'm supposed to take. I cannot do my own. And this link, how you got?
So this link was sent by the Nandini ma'am.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, ma'am. So this link is only shared to the online students currently. So
yeah,
approx
yeah.
60 students are online. So this link here is only shared to those
Those
students.
60 candidates, so yeah, among the 60, those who are belonging to our course, they will come and join. Am I right?
So actually 4 to 5 are only from our section just. So the mobile application is only given to 5L section, which is a Virtusa batch.
Yeah. That I know. Only
Yeah, so
5L
only
session is.
3 to 4 students of 5L are staying home. So
Oh.
they will only have this link. Others who are offline in the campus, they won't receive this.
You know, those who are staying in home now, those fellows you can call right now or pass message and come and attend the session. You just report. We'll wait
Okay,
for
sir. I just message in the group.
message them. After the message, you report me. I want to see your outputs. Until then, they are joining. From tomorrow, we will have the active session.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, do you know the date sheet of ST2?
Maybe October first week. That will be intimated. Just wait.
Okay, sir. So,
Duration will be informed until and unless it is informed.
sure,
We
sir.
cannot talk about this, and you may spread with your friends, and that will create a wrong impact. Just wait. What they are saying, unless you wanna mute your mic and make a call and ask them to come and join. Only 4 or 5. Unless will start. You stop that process, Akash.
Yes, sir.
Stop the process, and you can show your screen. I
Sir,
won't see
actually
your.
today I'm logging from my phone because my laptop is hanged in. So I have to go to the repair shop and just,
Okay, you're also not equipped with your device.
yeah.
Okay, I will share and we'll see one simple the activities in which what the methods automatically it's functioning. That will be brought with the message, toast message that exercise will see now. Let me share my screen first. Now the screen may be visible.
Yes, sir.
So activity screen page of an app life cycle in Android, showing what happens in it. It's not having any much UI design in it. First we will open the project. Akash Chopra alone present today. Just a minute, I will attend the call and is the screen is visible? Akash,
Yes, sir.
nothing in that, just simple design, no design is existing. This method will be called automatically even your in invisible mode. So with the method, what happens through that we are making with a toast message display. This is a design in which totally 6 methods are there. These are all called whenever an activity is appeared on the screen on your app. That's a screen or page we can say. You see the concept. In this design, nothing is unique. Just we are having the information display messages over here. To show the life cycle of an activity by creating a simple app in Android Studio. That's a problem. The idea of Android app creation and Java functions for the manipulation logic that is essential as a prerequisite. Operations, activity handling. Then practices learning the theory concept of activity life cycle in Android. In Android, an activity is referred as a one screen in an application. It's very much clear. Aryaka Shubra, the activity is a screen. Are you available in the class?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. It is very similar to a single window of a desktop application. An Android app consists of one or more screens or activities. We are well aware. We have seen up to now more than 3 activities which is present in our application. When we, that's an activity switch over one activity to another activity switch over process, we have seen 3 activities in the same project. Each activity goes through various stages or a life cycle and is managed by activity stats. When a new activity starts, the previous one always remains below it. It doesn't terminate. That in the sense, the process is not killed further. It will retain its states there itself, but it becomes background activity. The activity which is active for the process, that becomes the main activity. There are 4 stages of an activity. If an activity is in the foreground of the screen, at the top of the stack, then it is said to be active or running. If an activity lost its focus, that in the sense you moved, that is minimized, and you're in another activity, that time the activity becomes, it lost its focus. A non-full sized or transparent activity has focused on top of your activity. In such a case, another activity has a higher position in multi-window mode, or the activity itself is not focusable in the current window mode. Such activity is completely alive. If an activity is completely hidden by another activity, it is stopped or hidden. That's a third state, whether the activity is stopped or hidden. It still retains all the information, and as its window is hidden, thus it will often be killed by the system when memory is needed elsewhere. So when the inactive activities are there, it occupies the device memory. That's the main point at this stage. Normally, there is no need to kill the activity or destroy automatically, because whenever you are putting the back button, the return button, automatically the previous activity which is in the stack, that will be displayed to you. The system can destroy the activity from memory by either asking it to finish or simply killing its processes. When the same activity is displayed again, it will recreate, completely restarted, restored to its previous state. For example, you can see the output of this exercise, then we can further move. What happens? Are you in connection?
Yes, sir.
Because my thing says it's logged out. Just a minute. The screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Unless we can check in the AVD. I'm not running the project because the icon is not visible. What activity is this? Activities demo. No, this is not the thing. Activity life cycle. Okay, on create is called. You can see the message on start is called. This time on resume is called. These three are happening behind the activity when it is appeared on your screen. When you're moving with, see here, recent task switcher I'm pressing. On pause is called. At that time, the activity is on pause, then on stop is called. Then it will return. Now I'm enabling, again, I'm clicking the activity to the normals. On restart called, and on start also called. On resume called, now it's resumes its state. So when this is the position, when I'm again pressing the back button, on pause call, on stop call, on destroy call, now it releases the memory from that. See, again, I'm moving to the recent task switcher. The app is available. I'm enabling it. It creates, once again, after the destroy, it creates, again, it starts and resumes waiting. Now I'm closing this app. On pause, on stop. Okay, now if I clear this, close this, see the message. Okay, it has to throw the destroy. Now it's completely cleared from that. This is the information. These are all information display. Everything are available on the code, the method, and its information is provided. Now we have seen something on the screen. This states all the information over it. Activity launched in the sense on create, on start, on resume. So this flowchart completely provides the activities life cycle. You can have a view on it. So detailed introduction on each of the method stated as follows. That's on create. It is called when the activity first created. So the message directly on the main block, you can put on message with on create called. This is a creation area. On start is invoked when the activity is visible to the user. It is followed by on resume, for which you are supposed to write separate method by means of on start. This is already existing. It won't be available on our visibility, and making that particular method, what we are doing, only one message we are writing on the block where it's available. Okay. See here, now we can get the clarity. This is on create. Then others are on start as well as on restart. There is nothing to write these codes behind the screen. Everything methods are called in invisible mode. We want to make that inactive to see what happens in an activity. These messages are passed on the particular methods. This is for on pass, on resume, and on stop, and on destroy. So every blocks only you're putting the appropriate message code, toast code you are pasting on it. There is no events there is no events you are processing in this application. Just behind the screen, these on start, on create, on restart, on pause, resume, on stop, and on destroy, everything are functioning whenever an activity. This is a theory concept that is now demonstrated with the help of toast message. Each and every activity, what in the activity life cycle, what are the processes behind the screen it happens, that is displayed with the toast message. So on resume information, you can see here the name itself, you can identify the method. On pass, what time it happens. On destroy, and you are supposed to create the activity with the name provided in it. Design it without any information we are not supposed to keep. That's why information display purpose 6 text views are placed, and the contents on create, on start, on restart, on resume, and on pause, and on stop, what happens, that information is provided as an information display. There is no event is available in this particular application. Behind the screen, unknowingly what happens, that is brought into the view with the help of toast messages. This is called activity lifecycle demonstration. So these are all nothing the same. The content placed, what we placed here, that will be displayed. The see each and every text boxes, text view, the hard coded text, they are provided with a corresponding string constants value on the strings XML file, unless it will throw the hard coded text message. To overcome that, we are making this. The same code is placed, and the output when you are initializing on create will be called, then on start. If it started, it will return its position through resume. Okay, if resume, when you are pressing the recent task switcher, on pause will be called. The particular activity moves towards the pause mode. Then on restart, when again you are clicking the particular activity to bring the foreground, again on restart will be called. When you are completely closing the app, on stop will be called. Then on destroy will be called. This is an example. I hope you are having the link with you or not.
Yes, sir, I have this link.
G group, G drive link do you have? I have changed the
Yes,
folder
we,
information. Now you check whether the link is accessible. It shows the folder.
okay, sir.
You check it. Unless again I will make the shareable link right now.
Yes, sir. The Android Studio projects are visible.
Android Studio folder is visible. Am I right?
Yes,
Just I
sir.
want to see this screen of yours. Wait, we'll stop the sharing because only I placed and I don't know how it is accessed by you. Now I'm making co-host. You share your screen. I want to
So,
see
but
that
I
location.
don't have the laptop now, so how can I?
Okay, good, good. Sorry. Mm. You're supposed to attend through the laptop in the sense it will be easy for me. But it shows whether when you are clicking the main folder, inside it without space, Android Studio projects, is a folder is present?
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
which various folders are existing. Am I right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Among which you check whether this particular activity lifecycle folder is available or not.
Activity lifecycle demonstration is present.
Present, good. That's in the sense it is updated. So no need to update from my side today. Only the new file to be shared. Today's creation button, usage of button is today's concept that has to be shared. I will do today itself. And tomorrow I will place the lecture notes. Okay, on the chalk pad, not right now. Because we
sir.
are the only student attending and others will get confused if I place the lecture notes. Where is that? I hope this folder is showing clearly. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Under this, you can find this folder. Good. So all active projects are existing. You can make use for your learning. Upload folder and go to this. It was in the same place. Okay. Button B, buttons usage. It's a new project. I hope from tomorrow the people will join properly. All the members, those
Yes,
who
sir.
missed today.
I don't know the offline one because the link is not shared to them, but the online I will just inform them once more.
Oh, those who are in home, the
Yes,
online
sir.
is now conducted for the members. Those who are in home, they
Yes,
can
sir.
attend.
Sure,
And
sir.
I hope madam didn't send the students link to you people, and I reported she also today now it may be reached to them. Now nobody
Okay, sir.
joined. Is there any query or doubt from your side? I hope you are little eminent processing in this work up to know what we saw, all the projects, all the applications and the problems. Have you addressed with the Android Studio
Yes,
in
sir. I'm doing.
self-practice? If you are
Yes, sir.
making, this will be as your self-learning, like this will support. You can do any production with it before your education career is completed. The
Okay, sir.
in-house applications various are in need. Even for our Chitkara University, you can provide various applications. You and Talin, you and Tushar Shegar, like that, most probably nearly below 10 members are available. In the sense we can start the project work of in-house first. We can identify what can be done with the mobile applications and what activity or the process or operation to be optimized with the help of mobile application, and through which we can extract. We can start our work and we can analyze the requirements, and then we can initialize the work. Now you know how to insert various activities, how to
Yes, sir.
interlink, how to process, button click event, even maximum necessary things I have done. Only in the last exercise also calling will, okay. Prior to that, we had Android permissions also in it. I hope so. You're supposed to recall and remember and say me. Akash Chopra.
Yes, sir.
Good. This is the best chance for us to one-to-one interaction today. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, improve. And if you are having any problems or any project idea in this particular domain, you can inform me through call or other communication source. Is it clear? Now you may not be in that position to answer, but you plan and report me. We will check the feasibility, whether it can be possible in the sense we can go with. Are you interested? Apart from the academics, we are supposed to do this.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
It's not compulsion, you're interest based. Some
Yes.
creativity.
Okay,
So
sir.
within this course duration, we are having our own case projects of 10 in hand, in the sense we are trained eminently. Am I right? I
Yes,
hope
sir.
so. I'm expecting, and be as a group with your friends also, inform them, come ahead with the project's idea. First, we'll discuss about the problem. Then we will finalize whether it can be brought into the project or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now it's the time for us to leave. I hope this is sufficient, or you want to say something with me?
No, sir. It's okay. Sufficient.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
This project is uploaded on the drive. Now the lecture notes are not placed on the chalkpad. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You do one thing, you download the project and see in it.
Okay, sir.
You can open that project in your Android Studio and see. Then you do yourself with additional number. Rename your new project and do the same work.
Okay, sir.
But everything must be kept in your mind. These are all will be the uh, questions in the examination. What projects we are seeing? A simple problem will be given and that will be evaluated. Okay, good. Akash Chopra,
Thank you, sir.
happy. I'm terminating the session right now. Take
Sure,
care.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah, bye. Welcome.